Hi guys, today I'm going to have a case of the Hot Wheel street tuners. As you can see here, just received this I think 3 days ago. So without further ado, let's open this up. So you can see here 10 a piece. There are 2 sets inside, which is a good thing. So let me pull out some of them so we can take a review. So 5 of them. As for the outward, I'm not actually as impressed, but they're still good for those card collectors. So let's take a look at the first car, which is a new casting for this year, Nissan Silvia S15 in pearl white. Okay, this should be the 3rd one of this year. Okay, that's the first car, Nissan Silvia S15. Second car, 95 Mazda RX-7 in yellow, and there have been some release from Tomica limited vintage as well, which they call it Sunburst yellow, and this is from Hot Wheel. Car number 2, Mazda RX-7, nicely done. The color is quite nice. The third car would be Nissan 180 SS Type X. Nice view in black. Look at the front, back, very nice. I only do this a quick overlook of these new sets of stick tuners. I'm not going to open it, at least for now. So the 4th car will be Honda S2000 in I would say it's a metallic silver, which look very nice. Look at the back, Honda, the front. Okay, interesting view. Okay, car number 4. And the last car is highly anticipated, Pandem Subaru BRZ in blue. The iconic color for Subaru, blue. The front. I'm not quite sure about this casting, but they do nice as an addition. So as you can see here, the rear spoiler are bended due to the casing. They should have bigger so it can fit in. So nicely done anyway. 6 sport ring. This is a new casting in blue for street tuner, car number 5. So there you go, the 5 cars that I show you guys today. Hope you like it. Thank you very much. See you. Bye bye.